In this video, let's see how to book a flight in Trip.com. First, visit the Trip.com official website. Click on the Flights tab in the navigation bar. In the Flight Type section, you can explore various travel options, including round trips, one-way trips, and multi-city journeys. Select the one that best suits your preferences. In the Flights section, click on the Leaving From field and select the city you will be departing from for your flight. Click on the Going To field in the Flights section. Choose the city you plan to visit by entering your city in the Destination field. Click on the Date field to open the calendar. Pick the date you plan to travel from the calendar. Click on the Passenger and Class drop-down to adjust settings. Click the search button to find flights. Here, you'll find a list of available flight options. Once you identify a flight that suits your preferences, simply click the Select button located next to your chosen option. Within the modal, pick the class option you wish to travel in. There are 3 choices presented. Read through the descriptions to decide on your preferred class. Click the Continue button in the modal. Here, provide passenger information. Enter the necessary details for all travellers. Then, review and add extras. Add baggage, select seats, and opt for travel insurance if needed. Apply promo codes. Enter any promo codes to receive discounts. Click the Next button to proceed with the booking. Trip.com offers various payment options across its platforms, including credit debit cards, PayPal, Tripcoins, and gift cards. While Google Pay and Apple Pay are available on some devices, Google Pay is supported on Android, iOS, desktop web, and mobile web, but Apple Pay is only available on iOS. Enter your payment information and confirm the booking. And finally, check your email for the booking confirmation and e-ticket. You can also download and print the flight ticket from there. So that's how to book a flight in Trip.com. Like and subscribe if you find it helpful.